Hello everyone. Control System Engineering MCQ. First question. The dash design require arbitrary pole placement to achieve the desired performance. State feedback is the correct answer. Next question. The dash test is necessary to find the usefulness of the state variable. Controllability is the correct answer. The process of converting the system matrix A into a diagonal matrix by a similarity transformation using the model matrix M is called diagonalization is the correct answer. Diagonalization. The dash is matrix used to diagonalize the system matrix. It is also called diagonalization matrix. Model matrix is the correct answer. Model matrix is a matrix used to diagonalize the system matrix. It is also called diagonalization matrix. Next question. The sampling frequency equal to twice the highest frequency of the signal is called as Nyquist rate. The concept of controllability and observability are dual concepts are proposed by dash principle of duality. Kalman is the correct answer. Next question. The dash test is necessary to find whether the state variable are measurable or not. Observability is the correct answer. Next question. The chart considering if m and n loci in the log magnitude versus phase diagram is called Nichols chart. Next question. The meeting point of a asymptotes with the real axis is called centroid. The meeting point of the asymptotes with the real axis is called centroid. Dash stability is the degree of closeness of the system. It an indication of strength or degree of stability relative. The path taken by the roots of the open loop transfer function when the loop gain is varied from 0 to infinity are called root loci. Next question. A dash response is steady state response of a system when the input to the system is a sinusoidal signal. Frequency response is a steady state response of a system when the input to the system is sinusoidal signal. Frequency. Next question. The maximum value of the magnitude of closed loop transfer function is called resonant peak. The maximum value of the magnitude of a closed loop transfer function is called resonant peak. A device inserted into the system for the purpose of satisfying the specifications is called as compensator. A device inserted into the system for the purpose of satisfying specification is called compensator. Next question. A negative phase angle is called phase lag. A positive phase angle is called phase lead. Negative phase angle is called phase lag. Positive phase angle is called phase lead. Next question. The frequency at which the two asymptotic meet in a magnitude plot is called corner frequency. Next question. The slope of the log magnitude curve near the cutoff is called cutoff rate. The use of dash or speed up the transient response increases the margin of stability of a system, increases the system error constant to a limited extent. Net compensator is the correct answer. A transfer function which has one or more zeros in the right of S-plane is known as non-minimal phase transfer function. Next question. A dash is a signal whose value increases linearly with time from initial value of 0 at t equal to 0. Ramp signal is a signal whose values increases linearly with time from initial value of 0 at t equal to 0. Dash is defined as a ratio of maximum peak value measured from the maximum value to final value. Peak overshoot is the correct answer. Peak overshoot is defined as the ratio of maximum peak value measured from the maximum value to final value. Dash is defined as the time taken by a response to reach and stay within specified error. Settling time is defined as the time taken by the response to reach and stay within specified error. The dash controller increases the order of the system by 1, which results in reducing the steady state error, but the system becomes less stable than the original system. PI PI controller is the correct answer. The dash of a system is defined as a ratio of Laplace transform of output to Laplace transform of input with zero initial condition. Transfer function of a system. Next question. The dash of a system is defined as a ratio of Laplace transform of output to Laplace transform of input with zero initial condition. Option C, transfer function. The torque balance equation of mechanical rotational element and their analogue. Dash elements torque voltage analogue. Electrical element in torque voltage. Electrical is the correct answer. The control system in which the output quantity has no effect upon the input quantity are called open loop control system. The speed of DC motor is directly proportional to armature voltage and inversely proportional to flux. Field winding is the correct answer. Field winding. The dash is control action in which the output is sampled and a proportional signal is given to the input for automatic correction of any changes in desired output. Feedback is control action. The speed control system is a dash control system. Electromechanical. The speed control system is electromechanical control system. The major type of control system are open and closed system. The major type of control system are open system and closed systems. The positive feedback increases the dash signal and drives the output to instability, error signal. The dash is a feedback control system in the which output mechanical position, time derivatives of position. Servo mechanism is the correct answer. Servo mechanism. Next question. Dash is the input node in the signal flow graph SFG and it has only outgoing branches. Source is the correct answer. Source is the input node in the SFG and it has only outgoing branches. The control system in which the output has effect upon the input quantity in order to maintain the desired output value are called dash control system. Closed loop control system. The model of mechanical translational system can be obtained by using three basic elements: mass, spring, and dashpot. Mass, spring, and dashpot is the correct answer. A block diagram of a system is pictorial representation of the function performed by each component of the system and shows the flow of signal. The dash is the gain occurred by the signal when it travels from one node to another node in SFG signal flow graph. Transmittance. A dash is a diagram that represents a set of simultaneous linear algebraic equations. Signal flow graph SFG is the correct answer. Dash is a output node in the SFG signal flow graph and it has only incoming branches. Sink is the correct answer. Dash formula states that the overall gain of the system transfer function. Mason's gain is the correct answer. Thanks for watching.